Welcome back to FarmGear Consults, your guide to modern farm and food processing equipment. Today we are introducing you to essential machines used in animal feed processing. Animal feed processing is a major part of livestock farming. Without proper feed, animal health and productivity will suffer. There are different machines designed for each stage of feed production, from ingredient preparation to mixing and final packaging. Some of the key machines include hammer mills. Hammer mills usually is used for grinding raw materials. We have feed mixers, which is used for combining different ingredients. We have pelletizers, which usually is used for forming feed into pellets. We have crushers, grinders, and sifters for processing grains. And we also have packaging machines for bagging finished feed products. Each of these machines plays a specific role in ensuring that livestock receive nutritious and well-balanced meals. When you run a small farm or a large feed production business, choosing the right feed processing equipment is critical for efficiency and quality. In future videos, we will explore these machines one by one. We are going to compare, review, and recommend the best options for your farm according to the farm size. Stay tuned to FarmGear Consults, your trusted gear to modern farming solutions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell button